Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Y'all, it is a fantastic week at Walgreens, and I'm so happy because last week was okay with the deals, but what made last week good was all the clearance finds. So this week, the deals are amazing. So I'm gonna walk you through each of these deals one by one. I'll tell you the deals I did in store. I'll tell you the deals I did as curbside. I try to show you as many options as possible, but I did get all of this for less than $3, and I'll show you exactly how, step by step. If you're brand new to my channel, welcome. So glad you're here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I promise you that helps us all out. So, a couple of things I want to talk about before I get into the deals. One, last week I talked about doing a video on how I choose to use my register rewards to lessen my frustration and to still enjoy shopping at Walgreens and not want to give up on Walgreens for good. So I did post that video last week, but I don't think a lot of people saw it because I posted it later in the week. So I will drop that link down below in the comments as well as the video description box, but definitely check that out because I think it might be relatable for some of you guys. Also, I noticed this morning there is a deal for a free 8x10 photo. The code is 8x10 deal. I'll pop it up here on the screen. I used it in the app this morning and it worked for me. So if you try it in the app and it doesn't work, try it on the website or vice versa. Hopefully it will work for you as well. No idea when the expiration date on that code is, so try it out sooner rather than later. Okay, let's start with in-store deals. And I'm talking about in-store deals. Most of these are going to be register reward deals because we know register rewards do not print for curbside orders anymore. So let's talk about the register rewards this week. All of them printed. I had 0 issues, so that was amazing. All right, the Dove shampoo. So this one is the hydration spa. Actually, I grabbed the conditioner. Now, they are all supposed to be $7. For some reason, one of the ones I grabbed rang up $7.99, so I picked up another of the hydration spa at $7. So 2 for $7, that's $14. There is a $7 digital, so you'll pay $7 at the register and get a $4 register reward back, making it $3 for both or just $1.50 each. Yes, you can pay with Walgreens cash. If you have a register reward from a previous week that you want to use, you could use that as well. You're still going to get your $4 register reward. Now, in the video about register rewards, I talk about how I don't use my register rewards for the most part on register reward deals because I don't want to mess with it not printing because sometimes there's like deals of the month and it gets too complicated for the majority of people. They don't want to mess with all the rules. So I used my Walgreens cash to pay, not a register reward, and I did get my register reward back. Now, the other in-store deals I did this one, the Crest. So I picked up 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes. The ones I grabbed are the Bacterial Blast. These are $3 each, so that's $6. I had a $2 digital that came off, so I paid $4. And then I got back a $4 register reward, making them both free. Now, I believe, and I'll have to double check, that this one and this one are part of the same $4 register reward deal this week. So you want to do these in separate transactions. What was I going to tell you about this one? Oh, I used my Walgreens cash to pay for this as well. So I paid in $4 in Walgreens cash. I got a $4 register reward back, $0 out of my bank account because that's how I like to do it. Okay, now the Tide products. If you like Tide and Downy products, this is a decent deal. Honestly, it's not a deal that I would normally do if I didn't have a YouTube channel where I was showing people, but I know some people love Tide products, so let me tell you about the deal. They are buy 4, get a $6 register reward. So we want to do that in store. They are all on sale for $5.49. So each of these products rang up $5.49. The Downies, the Tide, and then the Bounce. Okay. So picking up 4 of them at $5.49. I had $1 digital on each of these items and $1.50 digital on the bounce. So I paid $17.46, used my Walgreens cash to pay. I got back a $6 register reward, making my final cost $11.46 for all 4 of them, or just $2.86 each. Now, I then will submit my receipt, I haven't yet, to the PG Good Everyday program that gives me points for purchasing those Procter & Gamble products. The Oral-B is part of that as well. And then I can cash out those points to rewards. I haven't seen gift cards in a while, which is a bummer. So hopefully those will come back. This was a fun one. I saw this high value digital when I was at home shopping online, but the deal wasn't good enough. But when I got in store, these L'Oreal Men hair color, they're on promotion for buy one, get a $5 register reward. They are $9.99. I had a $6 digital. So I paid $3.99 at the register, paid with Walgreens cash, got back a $5 register reward, making it free, and $1.01 moneymaker. Now, not everyone will have that $6 digital, but you should have the $5 digital, which would make it completely free. So good deal on that one. That was all I did in store. Nope, just lied to you. I did the Fruit Loops because I literally cannot find these on the app. So I did these in store. I know these are hard to find in store. I know I'm going to get comments on that. My store had just restocked, but there was a surprise register reward. So I purchased 4 of these, 2 of the Fruit Loops, 2 of the Apple Jacks. They are $4.49 each. They are buy one, get one free. So at the register, I paid $8.98. What was a surprise is I got a $2 register reward. I don't know where that came from, but thank you. So I got a $2 register reward, submitted my receipt to Ibotta where I got $8 back on Ibotta because I got $2 back on each of them. Yes, even the free one gave me $2 back. Then I also submitted to the Shopkick app where I got $1.48 back, making my final cost for all 4 of those boxes completely free and a $2.50 moneymaker. Those will be a donation item. I know my school, my kids' school is always collecting like breakfast items to donate to other schools that might need them. So great deal there. If y'all aren't using Ibotta, grab it using my referral code because you'll score an additional $10 when you scan that first receipt. Almost all of the Kellogg's products I saw were buy one, get one free. So like the Pop-Tarts are buy one, get one free. The cereal is buy one, get one free. There's still $1 Ibotta rebates on the Frosted Flakes with marshmallows and the Fruit Loops with marshmallows. So if that's your jam, it's a good time to grab that cereal. Now, I think the rest I did is curbside. Can you do them in store? Absolutely. If you like to shop in store, you can do it in store. There's no problem with that. But let me tell you how I did it. I did the Nexus deal again this week. They are spend 20, get $10 in Walgreens cash. So we're not going to pay with Walgreens cash on this one because this is a spend deal where we're getting Walgreens cash back. We're not going to pay with our Walgreens cash. We're also not going to use promotional codes. So if you're shopping online, I bought just these 3 Nexus in one transaction online because I did not want to use any promotional codes that would drop my total below 20. So I grabbed 3 of these at $7.19. I had an $8 digital and a $5 digital. I paid $8.57. I got back $10 in Walgreens cash, making all 3 of them completely free and $1.43 moneymaker. Now, I did place the rest of my order using a promo code. So I'm going to pop up on the screen all the different promo codes that I saw on the Walgreens website. I used the code FAST25 for the remainder of the items I'm about to tell you about, and I got an additional $7.55 off my total. Of course, when I place a curbside order, I go through Rakuten first because that gives me an additional 2% back. So all of those savings start to stack up to where we're paying almost nothing for the things that we're buying. Now, if you're brand new to Rakuten, grab it with my link because you'll get $30 back when you make a $30 purchase. You do have to spend the $30 out of pocket, but you're going to get $30 back on Rakuten. So if you're brand new to Rakuten, great, great deal. But these are the deals I did. I picked up the Aspercream light with lidocaine and the Icy Hot with lidocaine. These are buy one, get one half off. So the Aspercream is $7.99. The Icy Hot's the cheaper one, so it's going to ring up half off at $3.49. I had a $3 digital and a $2 digital. So I paid $6.48. I got back $4 on Ibotta for this one. I got back $2 on Ibotta for this one. So that's $6 total back on Ibotta, making it 48 cents for both of them, or just 24 cents each. Now, I did not break down that Fast 25 code to tell you how much it took off of each of these products. Pretty sure that makes these completely free if you were just using those products and not all the other ones that I'm talking to you about. But that Fast 25 code, you have to spend a certain amount for it to come off. The Colgate, super easy deal. Anyone can do it in store, online, doesn't matter. $3.99 each. There is a $4 digital coupon. You'll pay $3.98. You'll get $4 back in Walgreens cash, making it completely free. Can you pay with Walgreens cash? Yes. Can you pay with a register reward? Yes, not a problem. Let's talk about CoverGirl real quick. I picked up a CoverGirl face product and a CoverGirl eye product. The eye product is gonna ring up half off, so that was $2.24. The face product was $4.99. Of course, buy one, get one half off. I had a $2 digital for each of these, so I paid $3.23, but then I got back $2 for each of them on Ibotta, making them completely free and a 77-cent moneymaker. Now, if you like the Bulldog products, this is a decent deal this week as well. The body wash is $7.49. My store didn't carry that, so I picked up the shave gel at $7.49. Grabbed two of them. There's a $7 digital. There's a $3 store digital that's going to come off twice because it's $3 for each of them. So you'll pay a total of $1.98 for both, or just 99 cents each. The Skittles here, these are just $1, but there is a Shopkick rebate for 84 cents back, making this package just 16 cents. And again, that Fast 25 code applied to this as well. So that took off additional money there as well. I think, honestly, it would take off 25 cents, so that would lead me to pay 75 cents, getting back 84 cents on Shopkick, making it free and a moneymaker. And the One by Poise. So these are $4.99. I had a $2 digital. On Shopkick, there's a rebate for $2.10 back, making this box just 89 cents. Now, I know we can get these for free. I did want to show you the deal because it's still a solid deal if this is a product that you buy and use weekly. The last thing that's up here is up here to remind me to tell you about it. Tons of office supplies, 90% off. My store was tagged, but all of the items were gone, except for these like little lead refills. These were 20 cents. But check the office supply aisle at your Walgreens because mine had a ton of stuff 90% off. They were just sold out of everything. I'm still seeing quite a bit of clearance on the grocery aisle, so definitely go down that aisle as well. As always, I'll include clearance pictures at the end of the video. When I add everything up, everything that I bought, the money makers plus the things that I paid out of pocket for, everything came out to be less than $3 total. So amazing week over at Walgreens. And all the deals worked. I didn't have any issues with Register Rewards printing. I do plan to go back. There's a fantastic Listerine deal that I'm planning to do. I just didn't pull it together this morning. I wanted to get this video out to you early since I was late last week. So I might come out with a second Walgreens haul this week. This week is absolutely crazy. I'm shooting 3 different news segments. My son's birthday is this week, and I know there's other things. Just, you know, normal work, full-time, and I know there's something else that I'm forgetting about. It's a crazy week. My head's going to be spinning, so I will get out as much content as possible, and thank you so much for watching.